Please excuse the lighting. Beginning of my first build ever. I am a noob, but I'm going to try. I'm not going expensive, I'm going budget. Except for this motherboard, MSI Z170A Pro I got for $49. It was a seller return. The pins are not bent. And yes, I know I installed the motherboard first, but I needed to make sure I could plug these all in to the right spot. The case is a Vivo Athena model. I bought a couple extra fans, installed them the other day, and one up front is an LED. Sorry for the lighting, it's crap. But I used an old power supply and hooked it up, and make sure the fans run. The fans do run, so I'm good so far. Like I said, this is my first build, so if I have to disable comments, fine, but if not, nothing constructive, then shut the hell up. I'm going budget. I'm going to buy a Pentium dual core, or I'll wait till Black Friday, maybe see if I can get a quad core cheap, a used quad core, and put in what am I? Cooler Master Evo 212. I'm going to go with Thermaltake power supply, and I haven't decided on the hard drive yet. But the RAM, it's DDR4. I'm going to try it and go with a budget kit if I can. 8 gigs, 16 if possible. It's way too expensive right now. Most likely I'll wait until Black Friday, and that's about that. There's a good chance I won't upload this at all, because it's just a shit video anyway. Just beginning. But I figured, what the hell. If I can get it to work, I can get it to work. If not, then so be it. It's just a hobby. It's an experiment. I'm a noob, but I have confidence I'll be able to, if I follow the instructions, I can update the BIOS and it'll run. That's all I got to say about that. But I'm going to go with Windows, I think Windows 7. No, maybe just go with 10. Hopefully it'll take it directly from a hard drive that already has Windows 10 on it. Well, we'll find out. Part 1. Other parts coming later. Yeah. That's about that.